Hello everyone, I have a lot to show you today, so I'm just going to hop right in. First things first, Happy New Year. I hope that everyone is ringing in the new year with joy and gratitude. And speaking of joy, I just mailed out the membership birthday mailers for January, and I'd like to say happy birthday to Megan, Lemana, Shanae, and Kimberly. I hope that you all have a beautiful birthday month of January. Okay, so I have moved some things around again because, of course, I have. I'm constantly tweaking things, and I know that sometimes that is a little frustrating on your end, but I think I finally have things where I want. So thank you for sticking with me through the changes I've made over the past few months. It really means a lot to me that you are here. Having said that, my latest change I think will make life easier on everyone. So I think that you'll be happy to know that I have put my freebie library on a Google Drive. I added nice folders and a decent chunk of my freebies, including this new Valentine's Day freebie. I will have this download and the entire drive linked below for you. There's quite a bit in there already. So this is the Build Your Bouquet Tiny. And you're going to roll your dice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then there's your amounts right here. So roll it 3 times for your total to save, so you're building your bouquet. And then this is just a cute little A6 little donut heart thing for Valentine's Day. So that is the community freebie. And real quick, members, your downloads are of course still on the members site. Your monthly password, your new monthly password will be up tomorrow on the 1st under the membership tab here on YouTube. And you can see that I made you guys this little extra Valentine's Day set. I love this pudgy little Cupid guy. And this is for your binder, and it says, don't bite off more than you can chew unless it's chocolate. And then I have an A6 dice game. So which chocolate did you get? You can roll your dice and save the amount rolled and then mark it off. Add up the numbers any way you want. So if you roll a 6, you can go with 4 and 2, or 5 and 1, or 6, or whatever to help you complete that one. And this is your monthly treat bag. I went all out with this pretty pastel fairy theme, which I also carried into my Etsy stuff. But here you will get a Fill the Pixie Dust bag. So you roll your dice for your total and mark it in here. And then here is another cute little binder thing that says sprinkle a little magic in your day. Isn't she adorable? I love her. And I have these 3 cards, which you can use for IOUs or spent or cash outs or whatever you want. There's a lot of ways you can use these. And then this A6 fairy game, which is what is your magic fairy roll? So I have the rules for this a little differently than how the community typically plays this game. I thought it would be fun. So you roll your dice and you save the amount rolled and then mark it off like normal. But once that row is completed, so say you are a gardener, now when you roll 2s, they are wild cards. So you could use them for 5 or 3 or whatever. And then when you finish 2s and 3s, then 2s and 3s are wild. So that should help you fill out the game a lot easier and avoid having to skip rolls and stuff at the end. Okay, so that is the digital stuff. Now, one of my goals for 2026 is to get back to creating physical products for my Etsy. So I got a few things here, and I'm going to start with these binder kits. But before I show you everything, I have to tell you, I only have a limited amount of these, and whenever I do these, there will only be a limited amount. I hate doing that, but you know, I am just one person doing this, and these take a lot of time and effort from me, and then I only have so many charms and beads that I can add in, so there will be 20 of these, 10 in A6, which I'm going to show you, and 10 in A5, which look exactly the same, just bigger, and then 5 of each color in pink and blue. So let me go ahead and show you. We'll start with the pink A6. So this is how it comes to you. And each set comes with a snap-in dashboard that says there's a little magic in everything, a Save 45 scratch-off fairy. This goes into the sleeve of your binder, which I'm going to show you how that looks in a second. And these I am calling pocket charm dangles. So let me tell you how I came up with this one. I love, love, love charms in my binders, but I don't love that they get in the way. So I took some time to figure out how to get the benefit of the cute charm without the annoyance of it being in the way whenever you're trying to move your envelopes. So I came up with the idea to make these cute little pocket dangles. So you just tuck them in the pocket and you can let the charm hang. So let me show you. I've already got the sleeve in here. All right, so snap in your dashboard and put your little pocket charm in there, and that is how it will look. I absolutely love these, and maybe I will start making just these and not so much the dashboards and the inserts every time, because everything is very consuming to make, to design it all and piece it all together. But I will try to make new themes and variations as often as possible. But isn't she pretty? See, so that's the pink one. And the blue is exactly the same, except oh, and these are double-sided, I forgot to show you. So here's the front and here's the side. So you can tuck it in like that, or you can tuck it in like that. And the blue is exactly the same, except you have a blue double-sided and a blue fairy and hydrangea. Okay, so that is the kit. Let me go ahead and put this over here. Okay, so I loved the little fairy, so I am going to offer her as a scratch off in the shop. She is Save 45, isn't she cute? And then I went back to some of my old designs and I decided to redo some of my old scratch offs and bring them back. So I don't know if you guys remember these, but there was a B for T set that I used to do, and they are super small. So they might even fit. Oh, they can. Not like perfectly, but you can you can tuck them in there if you want. But they will fit in an A6 envelope. So let me show you that. So yeah, if you're an A6er, I know it's a little harder to find scratch offs and stuff that fit, but these little guys will fit in an A6 envelope. So that is that set. And then I redid my Jar of Wishes scratch off. So this is the Jar of Wishes, and you save 50 on this one. And I do typically like to I have heart scratch offs and circles that I will mix this up. It won't always be just stars. Kind of depends on my mood when I'm sticking stickers on for you guys. But I have to admit that I get a little bored making the same things over and over. So if they sell out, they'll come back later. But I am trying to make more physical products, like I said, this year. So you will be seeing more of my old scratch offs make a comeback, and definitely these kits and the charm dangles. But that is everything that I have to show you guys today. If you see something you'd like to grab, everything will be live on my Etsy tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Eastern, about there. So I hope to see you there. Thank you so much for your support. Please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything going on. And I will see you in the next one, which will be my budget video. Bye, guys.